Hey guys, what's up elders at TopTradingReviews.com. Today is the 25th of September 2019. Let's get started. So I bet you didn't expect this expert option. I know I did a review basically slating expert option, but today, I thought why not I try to trade, something on expert option or on binary options in general, since I cannot trade on Olymp trade because obviously I have to use VPN. I cannot really register a normal account because of verification details. I really wanted to use Olymp trade since my mate does it from India, but in this case, I want to trade expert option since IQ option, it doesn't really do binary options anymore. It does, Forex options or whatever it's called. It's totally different game, totally different stuff, and that's why I've deposited today $1,000 and see if we can build our account to maybe 10,000, and then after 10,000 to 100,000. Let's make it a series. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Also, another quick announcement is my Forex signals will be released within probably a week's time, probably Monday actually. I'm gonna officially announce them on Friday, so make sure to subscribe and like and comment down below if you're excited. Right, without further ado, let's have a look at what we have. So AUD USD at the moment, what we have, Amazon GBP USD 86%. So let's have a look at GBP USD if it opens for us. Apply. There we go, GBP USD. Let's see what's going on over here. GBP USD. I don't like using the charts of expert option because, well, this is why. Have a look over here. Chart period 5 seconds, 10 seconds. So basically, what this means is 5 seconds is equals, the candle, and then 60 seconds. So 1 minute is one candle. But look over here, it's kind of zoomed in, and we can't really see anything. That's why you never use brokers charting platforms, because they always are pretty crap, So that's why you use something like this, tradingview.com. It's very good platform. And let's have a look over here. So GBP USD, this is on 5 minutes. We're gonna be trading 1 minute, so maybe let's have a look at 3 minutes. What's going on in the 3 minutes? As you can see, support and resistance, it should be bouncing back to the upwards direction on the GBP USD trade. So why not we try this? Maybe if it pulls back a little bit more, actually it should be fine. Maybe let's have a look in the 1 minute. What's going on in the 1 minute? I really would like a little bit bigger pullback to the downwards direction, and then we could place this trade. Oh, that's good enough actually. So let's place a buy signal. There we go, we're gonna place it. And obviously if this trade is not gonna come in the money, the first thing we're gonna do is just reinvest a little bit more. So 250, we're gonna invest 430 or something. So if we lose this trade, we're gonna straight away invest a little bit more to account from our loss and still be winning. So as you can see, it's going down like crazy actually. So I should have waited a little bit. I rushed this in, which is definitely not good. Trade result closed, and let's try to place this buy signal at the moment. See if that's profitable. If not, we totally lost and blowed our account. Looking at our trade currently, it's still out of the money zone. It's fluctuating a little bit. Not the best time to trade binary options and Forex in general, since it's like 1825 where I'm trading from. So the markets have been closed, the European markets, or should I say the US dollar and the euro market has been closed. But this trade seems pretty good. The profit is going to be $812, so I'm happy about that. As you can see, that's how you trade binary options. You kind of martingale a little bit, you have a look. Sometimes you're more lucky than next days, but this is 1 minute to 2 minute trading, so they're very inaccurate. It's not like Forex trading, where you basically, unless you're scalping 5 minutes, which I don't recommend you guys to do, you have a look in the 1 hourly, and let's have a look in the hourly. So GBP USD has been going down the past hour, so to be fair, we should be placing only sell signals. So let's have a look in the 1 minute time frame, and it's kind of breaking this previous support zone. As you can see over here, previous support zone is kind of breaking. So if this candle in the next 25 seconds closes, we're going to wait for a pullback to the upwards direction, and we're going to place a sell trade. So that's what we're going to do. Let's do 150. Let's wait. Let's wait till it closes. Oh, it didn't break. As you can see, it didn't break. There's obviously buying pressure as well, but there's not too much buying pressure because obviously the markets have been closed and it's 1 minute time frame. So the main direction, to be fair, is sell orders. So if this goes up a little bit more, maybe if it goes up a little bit more, we're gonna place a nice signal. Let's just have a look over here. Place this sell signal over here. Shouldn't be too bad, to be fair. This is 1 minute trading, so obviously anything can happen. And if we're gonna lose, we're gonna instantly place another trade, you know, doubling up our initial deposit. So if we are you know, losing 150, we're gonna invest, you know, 300. Let's do 300, then we can recover as well. And that's how you should be trading and placing trades on IQ option, expert option, or, you know, Olymp trade, or I'm not sure about all the other binary brokers, but that's how you basically place trades. So let's see if this profitable. Definitely is. 283 in profit. Obviously I risked 150, so currently, you know, $316 in profit and 20 cents actually. So let's, you know, just move on and maybe place 120. Let's see if what's going on over here. So it's kind of bouncing back and forth in this area over here. So let's have a look in the rectangle tool, and as you can see, yeah, if it goes up a little bit more, there we go. We should wait. If it goes up, there we go, because obviously this expert option platform is lagging. There we go. This is the up position. As you can see on over here, it kind of shows straight away where it's going up. On here it kind of waits a little bit. That's why you need to wait on the expert option, because it lags, you know. Broker charts always lag a little bit, and over here it's much better. As you can see, it's kind of broke out this resistance line, which is not too good for us at the moment, which means it could be a losing trade for us. However, next resistance zone should be around this level over here. Let's see, maybe 15-minute charts, what's going on in the 15 minutes. And it should be just a pullback to the downwards direction. So if we carry on, you know, placing trades towards the bottom, it should be good. Let's see what's going on over here. So 120, if we lose this trade, we're gonna instantly place another trade of, you know, 200. So it should be like 240, 250, because obviously it's not 100% return of investment on binary options, so it's like 86% or whatever it is on GBP USD at the moment. What is it on GBP USD actually? GBP USD 86% at the moment. So if we invest 100, we're gonna make, you know, 186. That's what I mean by that. Let's see if it's gonna be profitable. If not, we're gonna place another sell trade. And there we go, profit 120. We got what we initially invested because it was just flatlined, you know, on the same area we entered. So not the best thing, but, you know, let's wait. You know, this is the brokers, you know, brokers always do all kinds of stuff like that. When you know, place the trade, it literally, you know, at the last second of binary options, it just makes you not win, you know. That's what the brokers do. But this is, you know, brokers game. You trading against the, obviously, the trend of, you know, the real trend over here, you know, where the actual, you know, markets are, but you're trading against the broker as well. And this is unfortunate, but it's the truth on binary options. Anyway, I didn't place another trade of the sell order because obviously we kind of flatlined, so I thought maybe we should choose our trades a little bit better. We don't want to, you know, carry on doubling up like crazy. We want to be kind of profitable as well. So since this was broken, if it goes down a little bit more, we could be placing a buying direction signal. However, I'm not sure. I'm not too sure about this. Maybe let's try, you know, finding something else. What's going on over here? Maybe let's try finding AUD USD. What's going on with AUD USD? Let's have a look over here. AUD USD at the moment on the, let's have a look in the 30-minute time frame. So it's bouncing back over here. It has been going down the past, you know, day or so, since 24th of September. So it's pretty much a day. It has going down now. It's kind of consolidating a little bit, support and resistance. Let's have a look in the 15-minute, maybe 5-minute actually. What's going on over here? So if it goes to this level over here, somewhere 67520, let me just mark it with the rectangle tool. If it goes around this level, where this rectangle tool is, you know, where this blue rectangle is, if it goes up a little bit more, we're gonna be placing a sell signal. So let's see AUD USD currently, what's going on over here? Not really moving. Bounce back of this rectangle. I wanted to push a little bit more up, but since it's kind of late and the markets are closed, it's going to be kind of sluggish markets, so don't expect, you know, a very exciting video, but I'll try to trade as much as I can. AUD USD, come on, move. It's not doing much, is it? It's not doing much. It's moving around over here on the AUD USD, but it's not really moving over here where the proper charts are. So let's have a look. You see, it's not much. It's very sluggish markets. I want a boost to the upwards direction, some kind of boost, you know, to this area over here, so I can place a sell order. That's why we have to be patient as well when trading binary options. We can't, you know, just place every single trade, because it's just not gonna work out, you know. Then you're gonna double up, and you're always risking to losing your initial investment. That's why you don't do that. We need to wait. We need to wait. Unfortunately, I know it's not exciting, but we just have to wait. I don't want to lose my account. We need to build it up to, you know, 100k somehow, or 10k at least. But yeah, it's not working out for us at the moment. Oh, there we go. It's a push. Let's wait for it. Look, boom. There we go. I told you guys, there's gonna be a push to the upwards direction, and this is the support zone over here. This is the resistance. If we just have a look over here, this is the resistance zone. So yeah, it should be now going down eventually. If not, we're gonna obviously double up 120. We can, you know, do 240. We're not gonna be winning as much, but it's fine. 240, and then if we lose this one, then we're gonna double up again, but hopefully we won't. Let's see, AUD USD at the moment obviously touching the resistance over here. It's touching the resistance zone, but you could be going out, you know, and touch this zone, so it could be going up a little bit more. So we need to just wait. It should be fine. It should be fine, honestly. AUD USD, let's have a look what's going on. Expiration time 27 seconds currently. It's on a pullback. It's kind of going down over here, where so it should be going down on expert option as well. Yeah, so I don't know why it's not going down on expert option. Come on, go down, because it's going down over here. As you can see, the chart is going down. Oh, there we go. It's going down. It should be profitable. Let's see what's going on over here. And look what's going on. Expert option, I'm telling you, these guys, you know, these brokers are messing about. And look, now it dropped. It's crazy, you know. That's why I'm telling you, brokers, you know, manipulate the charts a little bit. I'm telling you guys, where the normal charts are telling you it's already down, you know, the expert option is still telling, oh, maybe it's not down. It is down. So that's what we have. So there's the obviously pullback to the resistance zone. This is the resistance zone over here. And now it went down, which is cool. And we should be waiting for another pullback to the upwards direction. So until we get that, we cannot really trade. Let's just, it's going up a little bit. Let's see if it goes up a little bit more. Maybe touches this zone. Let's see. Let's not rush. Let's see. Come on. AUD USD 5-minute time frame. Come on. Obviously, it's risky trading binary options like that. I'm a little bit shaky at the moment, to be fair, because, you know, I trade Forex. Oh, expert option. There we go. It should be going up. Boom. I trade Forex, you know, where everything is strategic, not binary options. I used to trade binary options like a good 4 years ago in 2015, you know, 16-ish. Area now 120. It's good at the moment. AUD USD, as you can see, touched my resistance zone. We placed that trade. It's on a little pullback, and it should be going down. It should be going down, hopefully. So let's see. The profit would be $212. Ooh, it's going up a little bit. What's going on? Ooh, it's going up a little bit. So if it goes up, we're gonna do 240 trade instantly, and look, that's what's happening at the moment. It shouldn't be breaking this zone. So let's see 5 seconds. So when I get the message that I lost the trade, we're just gonna place this. Oh, unfortunate, I wanted to place it over here where at the top, but it should be fine. It should be good. It's still on the pullback. It should be going down. As you can see, the green candle was here, now it's going down, so it should be fine. And that's why you double up on binary options when you trade, you know, lower time frames, because if you don't, your analysis really doesn't make a big influence on your trade. You know, you can analyze all you want, but 5-minute candles have just too little of information. You know, you can still have support and resistance areas. I'm not saying that you can't have them, but it's much better to trade, you know, on Forex like an hourly to 4-hourly to daily. It's much more accurate. The zones mean a lot more, and that's why you know, you place trades and you kill it. So let's see. Profit 424 if we take this trade, and we should. It's bounced back over this resistance area over here, this blue rectangle, and profit for $1,479 dollars in profit at the moment, which is definitely pretty good. And that's how you build accounts, guys. I told you, I need pretty much $530 more, and then I can just withdraw the 1,000 and trade for free. That's what I used to do on IQ option and all the time, you know. And if you've seen my video where I show you my IQ options withdrawals, if you haven't, you know, check it out. But yeah, I show it, you know, I show it with live proof, you know. So AUD USD, let's have a look. Should we wait for another trade of AUD USD at the moment? Let's maybe see what's going on in the 1 minute time frame. It's bouncing back over here. Yeah, okay. Maybe if it bounces back towards this area, could be good. But let's have a look maybe for some other signals. Let's see what they have. Microsoft, we're not going to be trading that. GBP USD, let's maybe go back to GBP USD. What's going on over there? GBP USD, let's see. This is 5 minutes, by the way. That's why the support and resistance zones are a little bit crap. There we go. So it went up a little bit. I don't know why I can't delete this. There we go. So it's on a little trend at the moment, as you can see, going towards the upwards direction. But let's have a look in the 5 minutes, and you see it's kind of bouncing back. Let's just have a look. Let's use our rectangle tool real quick. Kind of broke our previous resistance zone, but then you have a look over here, maybe it didn't break. This is a very contradictive trade, to be fair, on the 5 minutes. I'm not sure myself where the support or resistance is, whatever you want to call it. So you can see it bounced back here a few times, obviously fluctuated a little bit here, the touch with the wick, and a few touches over here. Yeah, okay, so if we get, you know, a nice pullback to the upwards direction, maybe we can place a sell order, because the overall trend, as you can see, has been going down. So we're going to be more profitable if we carry on placing sell trades rather than buy trades. So let's just wait. Let's have a look. Let's see what's going on. Ideally, we wanted to place, you know, our sell signal over here. So let's wait. Let's wait. GBP USD at the moment, not the best time to trade actually, so maybe let's move on, maybe find some other opportunities. NZD USD, what's going on over here? So let's have a look. NZD USD should be bouncing back off this area, so if it goes up just a tiny little bit more, if we see some green candle going towards the upwards direction, I will place a sell trade, because it should be bouncing back off this area over here. As you can see, there was a lot of buying and selling pressure. Let's just have a look if it's gonna bounce off. I just want a nice pullback to the upwards direction, a little bit more, you know. So this green candle kind of touches this area. I don't want to, you know, enter the trade where it's on the low. As you can see, it's kind of going on the low at the moment. If it goes up just to this area over here, somewhere 6276, it should be pretty good. Let's see what this candle is doing. I know it should be kind of boring, you know, waiting for it, but this is trading. That's how you make money. Sometimes it's boring, but you know, it's the name of the game. You know, it's the name of the game. You wait. Expert option, as you can see, it's not doing very well at the moment on the 5 minute candles. 3 minutes left for the candle close. I'm really unsure what to do. I should just wait. Honestly, I should just wait for the pullback towards the upwards direction, and then I'm gonna place a sell order. So hopefully it just pulls back a little bit more. What's going on in the 1 minute time frame? As you can see, that's the pullback. Ooh, a little pullback towards the upward zone. Ooh, that's pretty good actually. So where's the pullback? Maybe place this sell trade. It's probably gonna pull back a little bit more yet again, but that's fine. We're gonna do if we lose this trade, we're gonna do 240 yet again, and hopefully that's gonna be profitable. If not, we're gonna place another trade until we win, and that's the pullback I was waiting for actually. So thanks for nothing, you know. But this is the pullback I was waiting for. This is the ideal pullback that I should have entered the trade. God damn it. So actually, I'm kind of confident in that trade. Let's do 260 and place this sellwards direction trade. Obviously, the first trade is going to be in the not profit, you know, it's not going to be profitable, but this trade should be pretty good because it's bouncing back. As you can see, this area, as you can see, it's an area, it's bounced back here a few times. As you can see with these wicks, these long wicks are telling us there's a lot of pressure to the downwards direction. And as you can see, it was going down the past, you know, since when? Since 24th of September, it has been going down. So we should be seeing some sellwards direction, you know, push to the downwards direction. So let's have a look what's going on over here. Expert option, NZD USD. It's very skeptical trade at the moment, but we should see some push. It's just that the markets are closed. There's not a lot of volatility, and that's why it's causing me to lose a little bit of trades. That's why it's very important to trade inside, you know, the trading hours, not, you know, these hours that I'm trading on. I'm still profitable, but not as, you know, accurate as I wanted to be. You know, I'm like one and one all the time. I'm still building my balance, but I'm not as accurate as I wanted to be. You know, look at my Olymp trade videos. The last, you know, maybe 4 days or 5 days, I've been, you know, killing it. I had like 10 trades won and then 1 trade lost, and that's what I want to aim for. But sometimes you cannot do that. Well, at the moment, the time is 18:44, so it's not the best time to place trades. However, 1,588. I'm gonna leave it for now. Maybe place trades tomorrow and see if that's any better. Obviously, I'm gonna be trading on the proper hours where the US dollar market is open, where the euro market is open. At the moment, everything is closed. That's why the markets are very stale and not as profitable as I like them to be. I still made money, $588. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and not miss out on the Forex signals, which will be coming out probably Monday. I'll announce them on Friday and give you full details. So take care, guys. Have a nice day. Love you guys. Goodbye.